Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you the hidden settings and tips or tricks for the iPad. So if you're using iPad and if you're a beginner and if you want to know hidden features of iPad, then you're watching the right video, guys. The first feature I really like about the iPad is if you're using any application and if you want to do multitasking. So did you know your iPad can handle multiple apps simultaneously? With features like slide over, you can have a secondary app picking out for a quick access. So first of all, guys, let's open any application. Like I have been using this Chrome browser, and if you want to use another app with this Chrome browser, so you can tap on three dot over at the top, and now you will see here two more options: split view and slide over. So you can choose a split view to split screen to with other application. Like if I want to use Chrome browser with Note app, so you can see that the both applications are open side by side. So it's better. So if you prefer to do multitasking, or if you want to take notes and from the internet, then you can take internet, you can open the browser on one side and open the Note app on the other side. Other things, so you can also, guys, slide over this application over the Chrome browser if you want. So you can better to have the slide browser as a slide over the Note app, because we need a Note app in the larger area to write your notes. So that's one thing, guys, you can do it. This is a one hidden setting or hidden feature. So the second thing you can do is, guys, there are quick access control in iPad. So if you are a beginner, if you don't know about this, if you swipe down from the right top corner, you will see the different settings at fingertips. Like you can turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi, you can turn on the Bluetooth, and you can also start recording your screen, and you can increase or decrease the brightness as well from here, or you can also increase the volume as well. And so these are the few settings you can directly do from the right top corner. Now one thing, guys, mostly people do with their iPhone or iPad is they takes a screenshot in every second. So if you want to take screenshot on an iPad, so there is a hidden setting, guys. You just need to swipe from the bottom left corner like this, and you can take a screenshot, and also you can annotate this screenshot as well. So you can tap on it and the pen is on, guys. Now you can write on it as well. So here's the pen, you can write over it, change the color, and you can see that. So let me choose now you can see that I can write over it. So you can mark anything you want with your screenshot. Like if you want to add this image in any website or anywhere, so you can mark particular thing using this feature. So there's one thing, guys, and one more thing, guys. There's one more hidden setting, guys. You can just swipe from the right bottom corner, so it will open, guys, the Notepad app, or I would say the quick I would say, what would I say, yeah, there is a quick note app you can find here at the top bottom right corner, and you can take a quick note from here. Also you can write, guys, few things that you want to take note of, particular thing on iPad or from the PC. You can directly write your notes directly here, and you can save it by tapping on done button. So yeah, these are the few tips and tricks, guys, of if your iPad, if you are new to the iPad, guys, these tips can be very useful. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye.